One chair, three entirely different worlds. Today, I'm transforming this single corner into three distinct aesthetics: warm autumn, soft organic, and moody heritage, using just a few pieces. No pumpkins, well, maybe just a few. No clutter, just pure atmosphere. Let's see how much we can truly change this space with just a few intentional swaps. By wisdom, a house is built. Proverbs 24, verse 3. You guys might remember that I made this Pinterest aesthetic reading nook out of a dining room chair. The story goes that I think I gave away the chair that I used in my last baby shower, and I did not have a chair to replace it. So I decided to use this little dining room chair and turn it into a cozy corner. You know my motto: use what you already have. We don't have money to waste. And of course, we have to upgrade our spaces. So here I am going to give you a look. We are going to be calling this look the Soft Organic Edits. I ran into a little problem when I started this. I don't know what it was. It's probably an inexpensive pillow insert that I've had a very long time, but I couldn't get my pillow to sit just right. But eventually I got it. This first look is my ever so softest approach to fall. Instead of going straight into orange, I kept everything very creamy and neutral, just the way I love it. And then I let the neutral textures do all of the work. The warm branches that you are about to see replaced by the olive branches. Of course, we're going to keep the woven rug because there's no way that I'm going to change a rug out for every single look. The wooden beads and the soft throw are going to give me that feeling of fall without making the space feel overly seasonal. Let me know what you thought of that look while I go ahead and use these magnolia garlands that I have had forever. I can't even tell you the amount of years that I have had this garland. This is going to turn the look into like a harvest organic edit. Cozy besties, I'm not going to lie to you guys. This took a little bit of work with the arrangement. It's a much fuller arrangement with magnolia style leaves and golden brown stem. A little bit of a wheat bush embedded in there. The look is very neutral and keeps it from looking a little too busy. This was a hot mess before we put in the added foliage, so just keep that in mind. When your arrangements has so much movement going on, just let it be the star of the show. And then you quiet down everything else that is around it. Okay, we are about to do the gingerbread autumn edits. Ladies and gentlemen, this one completely changed the mood. So I brought in the gingerbread colored throw and paired it with a neutral plaid pillow. You're about to see. Okay. The plaid was a decision that I made because it gave me a definite classic fall pattern, while the gingerbread color makes everything feel so much warmer. These are not traditional colors that I would generally use, but everything was richer and so cozy while I use the gingerbread color. I didn't have to use the traditional bright orange everywhere to achieve that cozy fall look. I'm going to tell you, this was very different for me, but I absolutely loved it. And though I didn't detail everything and where I got it from, this throw was from Burlington. And let me tell you, it was a star because those tassels were braided, it was soft, it was cozy, and my kids were absolutely loving it. Notice those black lines in the plaid. They are just speaking to the railings on my stairs. So even though I didn't explicitly have black intentionally embedded into the look, the black railings on the stairs kind of brought it all together. And even when you don't realize it, this is how you make a room feel very connected. Note, instead of using a pumpkin, I used an acorn, but we are going to quickly replace it with a cute little brown pumpkin just to continue the warmth in the space. If you guys like pumpkins, just use one, maybe two. You don't need a whole lot. Pumpkins are wonderful. It screams fall, but they're not always necessary. Let's get this clear. I'm not anti-pumpkin, but I notice that there has been a trend towards using minimalist pumpkins in the spaces. And personally, I used to do so many pumpkins. I still like to see them, but I think I'm going to decorate with less this year. We are going to call the next look the Moody Woodland Edits. So for this one, for all you Moody design lovers, you are going to get everything you want here. Okay, so I wanted to show you that fall doesn't have to be orange at all. This is my Moody Woodland version. And I told you guys in one of my recent videos that I wanted to use olive green. So I used the olive green. I got this throw from Burlington recently. And I also used the black, the aged brown, and the muted mustard to create something a little bit deeper and a little more sophisticated. Mind you, this floral arrangement was not it. So if you know me, you know that I do like the dried naturals, and this was so messy. It like totally deterred me. But honestly, the look was very much worth it. I did slip a pumpkin cushion in on this one, and I just love the way how this one turned out. Okay, I'm going to show you a different variation here where I'm going to use the maple leaves. These ones I actually DIY'd myself, and it is from last year's fall kitchen makeover. So it was like my modern organic fall kitchen makeover, and I loved them when I put them in the kitchen last year. So I think they're okay here. I can't say that like I love. It definitely is saying Moody. I wish I had more of the stems to kind of fill the space. But if you notice, I use a very small necked vase because I really didn't have a lot of some of the florals, and so I wanted to make the most of it. And when you don't have a lot of florals, use a small necked vase. I was going to actually do a DIY on a vase that I've had for years that I knew I could do something with. You guys will see it at some other time. But for now, this is the vase that I used, and it came out perfect in my opinion. I attempted to try a brown lumbar cushion here. It was way too big. It didn't work for me. I would have gone a little bit deeper brown and much smaller on the lumbar. So I replaced the cute little olive green pumpkin. That pumpkin is so cute. I can't remember where I got it from. Everything that you guys see here is going to be either Hobby Lobby, it's going to be Burlington, it's likely Home Goods. Definitely a whole lot of Hobby Lobby going on. I could tell you the acorns were from Hobby Lobby. The candle holder is from Amazon. And of course, the LED candles are also from Amazon. The stems are going to be Hobby Lobby finds from like 2 or 3 years ago. I love these acorn branches. I think they're kind of in their last days right now. I have tilted and bent and stored. Oh my gosh. I try to keep it together, but you know. So when you're manipulating the stems a lot, it can be a thing where, they just start to tumble down just a little bit. The black vase grounds the entire corner, while the olive table and the throw softens everything up. And those little acorn details bring in fall without needing a table full of pumpkins. Same chair, same table, same little corner, but for completely different moods. And that's why I always say to you, you don't need to decorate your whole house for a new season. You just need to know which details change the feeling. Stay safe, everyone. We love you and continue to stay blessed.